Welcome to Nature Walks.
Pottery, happy fruit, I'm a frog, hop, hop. Giant currents, I'm the Bronx, now it's time to get it on. Frog talks, nature walks, no more rhymes, so start the show. Frog time, it's frog time now!
Into the woods we go. You can see, right above my head in between those two trees, there's Native American Indians swimming, dancing, and having a tribal ritual. And jumping. As you can see, there's a hole here, a wallaby hole, for the As you can see, that man needs mental help, and they should open up a mental institution for him. This is what happens in nature. All that water came from my systems. Obviously, an animal just committed suicide over there. Never commit suicide. If need of help, call the number down below. That man still needs help. He's trying to hit us with rocks. Here he comes. Oh good, he left. That was scary. As you can see, right down below us, those two itty bitty fishies. Now there's 3, now there's 4, now 5. Those are all bluegills. The bluest gills of the bluegills. Oh God, he's here. See that right behind me? That is one of the myths and mystical things of this quarry. No one ever knew I'd get there, but all we know is that it has been put there by the earth, rain, wind, and fire. You hear that? Because I do. That's the Great American Sasquatch. Let's walk. Oh God, he's coming back. What do we do? This right here can be very dangerous, but I'm going to show you the proper way to do it right now. These are some ancient ruins of the Mayans. They built these back in 1600 and they still stand up today. And as you can see, they are very old and abandoned. Now right over here is a cauldron they used for human sacrifice. They put the humans in here, and I'm not gonna get that vivid, but that's how it works. These days, it's now just a trash can. This is an abandoned house. It might be occupied, or there might be things in there, but we're gonna explore it.
Ah, it says my house! My house! My house!
Right here is where 8 children have fallen off this dangerous cliff. They slipped and just fell right off. 6 of them died. 2 of them lived, but they barely functioned. They are vegetables. It's too hot. It's the lunatic.
I've been meaning to give you this!
Okay. Guys, it's a magic egg.